This is a really long React video. For
Absolutely long. This is because this is the first time we are reacting and we don't have editors, so this is going to be really long.
I don't think that many people are going to watch this video.
Welcome to yet another episode of the #BallsMedia podcast. If you're a podcast in an accent, this, however, is not the podcast, but this is Vineet. What is it?
A reaction video.
A reaction video.
I remember looking at the reaction videos back in 2010 and be like, these guys are so stupid. They're reacting to things that are on YouTube. And here I am again.
So this is basically we are reliving. We are becoming the YouTube comments. So because
everybody knows what React videos are. Let's go. Let's move.
This guest is a very good friend of the podcast. She's been on a previous episode, and we are gonna bring her on now. Our very own Ramya Ramapriya.
Yes.
Yay! Thank you, Ramya.
Hi, friends.
Hi, friends. Thank you for putting our logo on your as your background. Yes, that is me, and that is Vineet. Absolutely.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Someone should make you guys feel like a celebrity. So
we are here to react to the Space Jam 2 trailer which dropped yesterday.
What are you saying?
Oh.
So we are gonna guide.
Is this your first React video also, Ramya? Have you reacted to other things on the internet?
Not really. Not really.
Let's get straight to it. We don't have time to waste because we have a very famous person. We don't want to waste their time. Space Jam 2 New Legacy.
Basketball camp.
Looks like a cardboard model though.
On the court.
Trees are not moving only.
That, of course, is LeBron James. Anyone would know that. I mean, Ramya, he's acted in Trainwreck before, and I'm sure you've heard of LeBron James as well. He's acted in a couple of movies. I think in Trainwreck was probably his best acting. He was like very, natural in that Amy Schumer movie. Also, John Cena was in that movie. But
he played an athlete. He played an athlete only, so obviously he was natural.
He played himself.
He did a good job of being like super cheap and.
It's not what I want, Dad.
Ooh,
you never let me do what I want to do. You never let me just do me.
If LeBron James was my dad and he's like, I will coach you and make you a better basketball player, I don't know how many people would be like, no, Dad, I don't want to be a great basketball player coached by one of the best of all time.
But what if you want to
be?
Your father was like the best kabaddi player and he's like, I'm going to teach you how to kabaddi. And you loved basketball. Would you do kabaddi? Probably not.
Probably not. So this guy doesn't look like a kabaddi player.
Oh, what is this kid like?
The question is, what
is this kid like though? Well, this is like a typical this is like a rich people basketball Udaan movie.
Oh, yeah. I think this grappling between father and son is a tale as old as time. Okay, what is this? Too many servers in this room.
Will Smith ain't got to deal with this.
Did he just say Will Smith don't got to deal with this?
I know. That was funny.
You were famous for being on Comicstaan, and do you think that you'll ever tell your kid that, do this, become a stand-up comedian because I can teach you how to do that?
No. I would probably tell the kid not to be a stand-up comedian because then there would be fight for content in the house.
Of course.
Like, no, that's my joke. No, that's my joke.
This happened to me, but it also happened to me.
But is there like
but I don't think my kid would have content also because I think I would have done all self-deprecating shit by then.
But is there a parent-kid duo in the stand-up comic sphere that we know of?
Yeah. Actually, Amit Tandon's kid did stand-up comedy like last year. He opened for Amit Tandon.
Okay, let's move on. So he's now with this whole server thing.
He's angry. He's like, son, don't walk away from me. Why would you say what in the Matrix hell? Like, why are you saying what? Why can't you just say what in the hell is this shit? Like, what in the
in the Matrix?
Hell? Oh my God!
Isn't Game of Thrones also Warner Brothers?
Yeah.
See, there's Westeros. So this is the Game of Thrones series. Game of Thrones. Oh, so this is they're going.
Nice.
And this is
the Warner Brothers thing.
This is green people. I don't know. Is that Mask or is that the old Space Jam? I don't know. Not very.
Is that Green Lantern?
No.
I don't think they would publicize that. That was a disastrous movie.
Welcome, King James. I am the king of this domain.
Ooh,
Don Cheadle.
Pixel movie.
This is the serververse.
What'd you do to my son? Where's Dom?
The only way you're getting your son back is if you and I play a little.
Oh, there was a one of those.
Pete, send
Yeah.
this clown to the rejects.
Wait.
They just sent him to the rejects. You would have thought he went back to the Cavaliers. This is a basketball joke. Cavaliers had a really horrible team, and that was where he started his career.
No,
Cleveland.
but why did he send him to the rejects? He asked
Because-
him. What did he ask him?
They want to play basketball with each other, but he has to get to that level, I guess. So he has sent him to the Toon World. It says Toon World.
Tune.
Wow. It says Toon World.
Oh,
Toon.
yeah.
So that's all, folks. So it's kind of cute, though.
This is nice.
It's kind of cute. He looks like Jabbar from Aladdin, doesn't he?
Yes.
Jafar. Who is
Jafar,
Jafar?
yeah, Jafar from Aladdin.
Jafar's second cousin.
Karim Abdul.
In our reaction video, our faces will show, or will only this screen show?
We don't know. Let's move on. Let's move
Let's
on.
move-
Let's
that's
just,
fine.
let's just
move
go with
on.
it.
Okay.
What's up, Doc?
Yay!
I need to assemble an elite team.
Oh, he's assembling Superman, Gandalf, King Kong, and Iron Giant. Who the hell is Iron Giant?
Iron
So
Giant
big
is that robot.
Oh, which movie is he from?
I forgot the name of the movie, but
But he's the Iron
Quite
Giant.
famous.
I think if you have King
But it's
Kong and
like,
Superman, then it's cool.
It's like Warner Brothers trying to remind you that they gave you these hits. Like, yeah, don't forget. See, this is just a family movie, but we have other movies also for you guys to watch.
if you don't
Where we
like
did
it, go
better
home and
shit.
watch Superman. Oh, he's making the team.
He's trying to recruit, which is what King James does best.
What did Grandma do?
Grandma got injured last time. I think Grandma was.
She was injured, yeah.
Yeah, they all jumped.
I
the team
feel
jumped
like-
on her.
I feel like she's still injured. Like, I have a feeling she's still injured.
Oh, we will see.
We will see. Let's see. Okay.
A dream team.
They're assembling a dream team. Okay, all right.
Shoot the ball.
Didn't these guys play Space Jam 1 and they still act like they don't know how to play basketball, or did
I-
they totally
They
phase
I
it
think
didn't
that-
play basketball. as
Yes.
well.
Exactly. They've forgotten about it. It's
That's the whole
been,
point. Michael Jordan won them the game.
So
Use
does
their
this
other
mean-
worldly outfits.
Does this mean LeBron James is the new Michael Jordan?
Oh,
That's the meaning of this
Such questions should not be
yes,
asked.
yes. This is a very touchy subject, but we will address it in a while, or maybe we'll never address it because nobody's going to believe us. Okay, so
Let's try that again, shall we?
Okay, let's address it some other time.
King James.
so I guess this is the Iron Giant.
Oh, this is Iron Giant.
This is the Iron Giant, but I did not see Superman anywhere. Okay, maybe we should find
The opposite team has all of these people.
King
Oh,
Kong.
Flintstones.
There was Flintstones and the Dragon and King Kong.
Why is Tweety there? I feel like Tweety is as useless in the team as I am in this video. Like,
I think that is not true at all. But we can see Shark, we can see Yogi Bear, and
yeah, we can see King
Flintstones.
Kong, we can see
This
Flintstones.
monkey on the side is also a character. I don't know.
I think he was. Do you guys remember this series called Laugh Olympics?
Yes. He was. in
Yeah,
that, yes.
Yogi Bear and all used to be in it.
Yes,
No,
they
yeah.
had 4 teams with a Muttley and this
Yeah,
Dastardly.
yeah.
I think this is from that universe because you can see Jetsons in the background. Can you see Jetsons in the background?
Yes.
Yeah, can you see that white giant? I think that is Foster's home of imaginary friends.
Oh yes. That is him. I don't know.
It's okay.
Introducing the Goon Squad.
Fuck.
Oh, this is.
The Goon Squad is this year's Monstars, and they did not acquire their powers. So, Ramya, you might remember first Space Jam, they took the powers from actual NBA players, but in this universe, I think they already have their powers. So, I think all these stars are also inspired by certain
NBA
people.
players. Yeah.
So, I don't know who this guy is supposed to be, but maybe he's shooter.
Captain America's sidekick? No.
This is a very fast guy. So I don't know who that is.
This is
This
Dame
could be
Lillard.
Steph Curry. Dame Lillard.
No, this is Dame Lillard. This is
Dame
Dame
Lillard.
Lillard. Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. This is some female. This is some multi-hand person. I don't know. This
is Diana Taurasi.
Diana Taurasi.
And the reason why she's like a snake is because
she's
spider.
Mamba mentality. Oh
the
yes,
great
yes,
Kobe
yes.
Bryant called her the White Mamba.
Oh, I
But
thought
is this
Brian
snake
Scalabrine.
But isn't that a spider?
This is a spider. I think
Not
he's
this
talking about the
one.
previous
Not
one.
this one. The one.
Oh.
No, the previous one. That lady. I could not pause it that way. Oh, there's one more.
Oh.
And this is Clay,
You gotta win this
Oh
the
my
fire
god.
guy.
Let's end this.
and get our son back.
Is that his real wife?
No.
No. I don't think anybody in that thing is real apart from LeBron James. There. See, I can see the mask there on the corner.
Can you see the Scooby-Doo mystery van at the back?
Oh yeah,
Yes.
the Scooby-Doo people are also there. Oh, nice.
There is that the Barney dinosaur.
Oh, that's his name. Yes. Oh my god.
Yikes.
Did you get that reference?
Yes, that Wade reference I got. That's the only. This one.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be the Dwayne Wade reference. This is a play on a play that they made against Milwaukee. And but Vineet, do you know this fun fact that play that D Wade made? It was not a lob. It was a bounce pass between his legs.
Yes.
Yikes. Classic.
What
did
does he go and
crash
hit?
into?
Yeah, I don't know.
What?
This is why we have Tweety on our side.
Why did he crash?
Because
What
maybe
did
they
he
have
crash?
put like some sort of barrier. I don't know what. Maybe this is the reason. I mean, they can't show him hitting the final shot, right? So they have to distract you with tales of failure. Maybe this is
Drama.
that tale. Yes, drama. We need drama. Oh, nice. Oh god.
I'm going old school on his butt.
Okay.
Oh fuck! Don't.
Whoa.
See, Granny made a comeback.
She kicked the ball. She kicked the basketball.
And they got 30 points for it. But yes, that's the trailer. Ramya, what did you think about the trailer?
I don't know. Could be fun.
Yeah, I mean,
Like it's. I like the plot. I like the plot of the kid not wanting to play basketball and wandering in a a Google server room. Why are they even there? You don't know. His house needs a horizontal lift, not a vertical one. Where the fuck are they coming back from or going to? That they go into a server filled room. He's like, I'm pissed at you, dad. I don't want to play basketball. And he walks off in a room full of servers. And this guy, what the fuck is this Matrix shit? And then he just gets sucked into space.
that movie might be
It's
family
like
movie, but this reaction is definitely not a family reaction.
It's like, hey man, you should win a game of basketball to get your son back. And LeBron James is like, well, you're in luck. I am the basketball player. I'm just thinking about the kid, dude. The kid is like, fuck, I hate basketball. And now my life fucking depends on it. Like, I have to sit and watch my dad play basketball and win and show off his skills in front of me. The same thing that I was walking away from. Okay, first of all, through the trailer, it's supposed to tell me the plot. I have no idea why they took the kid.
But if they tell you that, then why will you go to the theater and watch it? So we should
I
think
will
about that.
watch it for the game. Like, why would I?
Even I would not watch it for the game.
No,
Yeah, I
but-
mean, I think she has a point because the first Space Jam was like, we are going to like destroy the world, right? The whole thing was the world's future depends on this game.
Was it?
But I don't understand why they took the kid.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
why
were-
would-
yes.
destroy the world, right?
And
Like-
Bugs Bunny came and recruited Michael Jordan.
Yes. So
Yeah, so this plot is not making. I mean, they could have just said that, you know, at least New York depends on.
I mean, his
Something,
son's
yeah.
life is pretty pretty New Yorky.
Yeah, but why?
Yeah, but
But
why
why?
am I invested in LeBron James' son's
Son.
life?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Why
I
am
agree.
I? The stakes aren't high enough, dude. Like
Yeah,
for
they
him
should
to,
have.
for me to be like, what a spoiled brat is probably not gonna come home,
Yeah.
which he wants to get away from in the
Yes.
first place. He's like, hey, I want to run away from basketball, my life, my house, everything. And then he finally manages to go somewhere where there are cartoons. And then his dad shows up there and he's like, what did you not want to watch? Where did you not want to be? I'm going to do exactly that.
But do you think this is going to be a successful movie, though?
In Space Jam 1 was also not one of the greatest movies of all times. At least the plot was very good.
But you haven't even seen the movie. You haven't even seen the movie.
Yeah, but this is a reaction, man. Come on. People react.
Let's react. But I'm also reacting to this take that you have not seen the movie. I think
you're reacting to the react. You should react to the trailer.
I reacted to the trailer. I think, see, my feeling is it's trailer. I'm excited because it looks well made, and that's all. Right? Like I didn't expect. Even Space Jam was not like oh my god, but it was so much fun to watch because Michael Jordan, basketball, Looney Tunes, all of that childhood stuff. I mean, for me now, LeBron James is not part of my childhood, but it's part of other people's childhood. I think it'll be.
I know you'll watch it with your kids, but okay, we get it.
I'll watch it with some kids. Oh fuck! No! Take it back. No! I will not watch it with any kids.
I'm excited to see how they're gonna end the movie.
And also, did you notice that the mother is also now in the Matrix? What is happening? What is the mother doing there now all of a sudden? Also, I want Bill Murray to come have a small cameo.
For sure, absolutely. He deserves. Bill Murray was there in the first one. He was the Scottie Pippen to Michael Jordan.
This is a really long react video.
Absolutely long. This is because this is the first time we are reacting and we don't have editors, so this is going to be really long.
Really?
I don't think that many people are going to watch this video.
Guys, that is it. That's our first and probably the last react video that we'll have because this is getting too much out of control. We're having too much fun with it. But in case you had fun, please like, share, subscribe, do all that jazz. That's all, folks.
That's all, folks.